Hey guys, welcome home to You Are the Compass, where I'm joined by my beautiful friend Lisa, who I met on the island of Koh Tao, Thailand last year, actually. And it was before starting this podcasting journey. One of my main visions for sharing this with the world was initially to create a space to explore thought processes, perceptions of our own realities, and ultimately the emotions behind where we find ourselves in any stage of life. How our mindsets can change over time as we open ourselves up to new experiences and really get outside of our comfort zones to grow and further our existence to a higher level. Whether you are familiar with alternative healing or not, I invite you to join me as Lisa is going to share something really special with us all. Lisa, welcome. I'm so glad the time is finally aligned for us to experience this today, and I am beyond grateful to be a part of your journey.
Hey, Jesse, thank you so much for having me. It's such an honor to be on your platform and to share my passion. Yeah, your podcast inspires me in so many ways. Um, my name is Lisa. I come from an art school background, and my life has been uh, very much constant death and rebirth of myself. Um, I've been changing the course of my life many times and experimenting with many different practices. And now I am teaching yoga. Uh, I practice sound healing and I teach freediving and scuba diving. My passion for traveling and creativity, art, and exploring the realms of reality and our consciousness have brought me to, yes, to express through sound practices what we can explore in our own spheres of consciousness. So, finding ways to explore my own consciousness and heal myself. I have found in sound healing for the first time when I actually experienced it, I was transported into such a space that I wish to further my exploration of this tool. It is such an amazing tool as everything is vibrating in this universe. And what I felt is that certain sounds were harmonizing, recalibrating, and really realigning my whole being, spiritual, mental, physical. Um, so today, I would love to share with you a session. You can think of it, if you've never experienced this before, you can just think of it as a meditative journey into the realms of your own inner landscape. So, how it's gonna go is you can either sit comfortably or lay down with your eyes closed. You could use an eye mask, you could use a blanket, dim the lights, and make yourself super cozy. Make sure you're in a room where you will not be disturbed for 30 minutes or so. And I will guide you with my voice. You'll be hearing my voice for the 5 first minutes. I will take you into a calm meditative state. And then you will hear the sounds of the instruments. And at the end, you will hear my voice again. I will slowly guide you back. Take your time to come back. If you need, you can just stay um, in your restful state. So, what you might experience during the session is some visuals, some colors, maybe some light. You might experience some scenes of the future, past, who knows. Maybe some emotions can come up, some sensations in your body. You could feel a sensation of a very heavy body. This is all normal, and maybe you fall asleep. So, not to worry, this is all very normal. It's part of the process. Um, if you observe everything that is occurring neutrally, and just trust whatever you are experiencing is exactly perfect for you. If your monkey mind is distracting you during the session, um, gently bring your focus back to your breathing, back to the sounds of the instruments. Um, every journey is different, so you can do it again some other time, and you will have a different experience. So I invite you now to find your comfortable spot, and I invite you to place an intention for your journey. So as we explore the spheres of our consciousness, we could literally go anywhere because we are multidimensional. So it's always good to have kind of a compass with a direction. So an intention can be very simple, like just one word, one frequency, frequency of peace, for example. It can be some quality you are working on currently in your life. For example, being in the present moment. It could be something you are working on that you wish to let go of, no longer serving you in your current time, um, or something you wish to improve. So anything like that doesn't have to be very complicated. And once you have found your comfortable spot, I invite you to relax your body, relax your feet, relax your legs, relax all the big muscles in your thighs, your pelvis, your belly, relaxing your chest, your ribs, and all the organs inside your abdomen. And then as you relax your chest, let your shoulders move towards the earth, all the way through your arms and all the way through your fingertips. Relaxing your neck, your jaw, your face, and the back of your head, your forehead. Relaxing your eyes. And I invite you here to bring your intention right in front of you. And now I invite you to take 3 deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth, making the sound ah. Inhale through your nose. Going into lower tones, feel the vibrations in your body with the sound of your voice. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. And one last time, inhale nose and exhale mouth. And now, slowly, I invite you to let go of your thoughts, relax your body and your mind, and bring your focus, your awareness to the sounds, to the frequency, vibration of the Mother Earth. Feel the stability of the earth underneath your body. Listen to the sounds of the birds, sounds of the insects, the wind blowing in the trees, the wind whispering in the leaves, in every blade of grass. Listen to the sound of the rivers flowing, sound of the waves crashing against the shore. Can you hear the sound of the raindrops in the forest? Listen to the stillness, a still lake, silver mirror. Listen to the sound of the desert, the vast desert, sound of the mountain, sounds in the sky, sounds of the airplanes, in the sky. Can you hear the stars in the sky? The planets in the vast space? Listen to the space at the center of your chest. Listen to your breath. The blood in your veins. Listen to your heartbeat. Flores y aromas perfumados con las soles. Cura cuerpecitos, limpia espíritu. Cura cuerpecitos, limpia espíritu. Flores y aromas perfumados con las soles. Slowly, gently, starting to take deeper breaths. Feel the breath slowly moving into your body. Starting to feel your feet, your legs, the base of your spine, your abdomen. Feel your chest, your shoulders, your arms, your hands. Feeling your neck and your head. Taking all the time that you need to come back. Feeling free to stay relaxed, or you can start to bring gentle movement in your fingers and toes. You can move your head from side to side, and slowly, when you're ready, you can bring one knee after the other into your chest, hugging your knees, rocking yourself from side to side if you are laying down. And slowly you can turn onto your side and take a short rest on your side. Let yourself emerge from your journey, taking all the time that you need. You can keep your eyes closed and just take a few moments there to absorb, to integrate whatever you have experienced. It is all there for you. It is all welcome, all part of your consciousness, information. And I wish you a beautiful rest of your evening or a beautiful day wherever you are. And I thank you, Jessie, for having me. And until next time, have a beautiful, beautiful rest of your day. Bye bye.
Lisa, thank you so much for sharing.
Oh, how did it go?
Yeah, really good. I actually did the meditation with your guiding words.
Amazing. Oh, I'm so happy you did
Nice.
it.
Yeah, I just wanted to say thank you for bringing us into this world today and sharing a little bit about your journey. And yeah,
Thank you so much. And yeah, I will have a few more instruments soon, so maybe we can record another session sometime.
absolutely, absolutely, for sure. Um, I think last time when we did one of these sessions, you had some tuning forks. So I'm
Yes.
keen to get back in that space.
Okay, beautiful. Yes, I will gather all my all my little tools.
And I'm going to put some links in the show notes for people to reach out to you if that's all right.
Oh, thank you. Yes, yes, that would be amazing. Oh, thank you so much. And yeah, let's keep in touch. Yeah, let's definitely keep in touch.
For sure. Well, I'll let you go for now, but thank you again, and we'll be in touch soon.
Yes, thank you so much, Jesse, and thank you to the listeners. You can do this meditation anytime you feel like you want to go to those frequencies of love, peace, joy. Yes, and yes, talk to you soon.
Very powerful stuff. Thank you again, Lee.
Thank you so much, Jesse. Thank you for having me. Bye for now.
And so we are back from our journeys for this episode. And I loved how Lisa described this experience that she just shared with us all, in that you can just think of it as a meditative journey into the realms of your own inner landscape. I will include in the notes for you to make the connections with Lisa. And as this energy and enthusiasm continues to be an inspiration for us both, we will reconnect to share this experience with you all again. When I met Lisa last year, I'd reached a stage in my life where I really needed to just sit with my own emotions and to really feel them and not be off hiking a mountain or diving to the great beyond, to just really understand that those feelings were real and to be present with them and then to let go, all from my own mind and where it had led me. Whether you have experienced meditation, sound healing, or I will use the term in air quotes, alternative practices, it is all part of one's own personal development, and we will continue to grow from this in our life based on our own openness, our willingness to get outside of the comfort zones that we've created and to reach for those greater heights, all while sharing that vulnerability that we have inside ourselves with others and the outside world. Which leads us perfectly into our next episode. Don't get stuck in the healing phase forever. Until we meet again.